Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab, and what are we painting today?
We are going to be painting an F1 race car.
What's an F1?
It's a Formula One race car, super fast.
That sounds fun to draw. Well, what do we need to paint an F1 race car?
We're going to need red, black, orange, and yellow.
Okay, let's get painting.
Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the tires. So let's put the rear tire right around here somewhere. Try and make your circle. Circles are always hard to draw. Nice. Okay, so that's the rear tire. And then we're going to move up a little bit here and we're going to do the front tire. Now the front tire is a little bit smaller, but if you can, try and get your circles even, like if there was ground there. Good, looks great. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to draw this wing. And you might say, well, why does a race car have a wing? Well, these things are so fast. Might as well be an airplane. Okay, and then we're going to draw this here. And then come down. And then straight up. Nice. Okay, and then we're going to do this. It's supposed to be like a vent.
So then like the car can breathe so the engine doesn't overheat.
Yes, because the engine's going super fast. So it's kind of a rectangle with two lines on it. Nice. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start making the bottom of the car, and that's simple. That's just two lines, one right there and one right there. Good. Okay, now we're going to draw the front wing, and that's going to be right here. Sometimes they have like a little curve, kind of follows the wheel. Good. And then we're going to go ahead and draw that line. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the front or the nose of the car, and it's going to come up like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw just over the wheel. So you want to go behind the wheel and then kind of imagine where it's going to come out past the wheel. Good. And then this is what's called like the cockpit, and this is going to be like that. Good. And then, okay, so now there's going to be another vent, and this is one that sits over the top of the driver. Good. And then we come up. Good. And then this is going to disappear behind the rear wheel. Nice. This is starting to look like a race car now. Okay. And then we got the rear fin. That's going to be right here. Good. And it's going to come down. And that's going to disappear behind the wheel. Bless you. Okay. Now, let's make the driver, the helmet, because that's really all you see. And that's just going to be right here. Good. And his visor. Very cool. And then lastly, let's make these a little more like tires. So we're basically just going to make 3 rings. Well, 2 rings actually. Just try and keep them circular.
I heard that they can go so fast when they go in a tunnel, they can actually go upside down and right on the wall.
That might be true. We'll have to look that up. And then one more right here. Good. And the same with the front wheel. And then one in the middle. Well, that looks great. I think it's time to make this thing go super fast. Let's fast forward and bring our race car to life.
Hello, and we are back from fast forwarding, and I think the Formula Ones turned out great.
Yes, I see that you went with the Cheez-It car. Looks super fast. Well, what else do we have to do?
Our signature.
Cool. Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another creation by Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your Formula One, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.